how to set up monday.com doc template. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to set up a doc template if you're working on monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into your account, and once when you log in, you need to open a board that you're working on. And for example, this is the board that I'm working on, and if I need to create a doc template, I need to add a new column first. So we can click here and write Monday doc. And here you go, we have it right here. And then we need to rename it to scope of work, the work that we are doing here on this doc column. And then we need to click on these three dots right here, go to settings and click on set doc template. We need to wait as it is setting the doc template right here. Okay, so once when you're here, you need to name this, name our doc template as scope of work. Here you go. And then we can create a board, a table, or any of these templates that they have given us. If we go with table, we can add up data. For example, project owner, project stakeholders, project description, and project resources. Here you go. We can remove some tables if we want and add as much as we think they're enough. We can also add up, just give me a second. Once when we are done, we can add up actionable plans. Let's see from where we can add up actionable plans. Let me scroll the menu first. Here you go. And then we need to click here. Wait a second, let me just remove it. And productivity, action items. And here you go. So we can also add an action item if we want, but this is the main gist. And we're good to go. We have almost done it. You can add more variations and dynamics and other templates if you want, but this is the main way of creating a doc template, and it's complete. And now anybody from the team or from the administration who wants to create a doc template, they need to just click here and they'll be good to go. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.